قافلے در قافلے عشاق کے آئے ہیں مہمان مسیح پاک کے.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Daud Chata and I came from USA, specifically from Maryland, and we were the team of about 8 people who joined Canadian to ride to Canada Jilsah this year. This was a very blessed occasion and we are so happy that we Canadian friends organized it. They hosted us well and made sure that every program and plan was executed nicely. I will just say one thing, this whole initiative and the process started with the inspiration from Khalifatul Masih, our beloved Imam, to stay active and be healthy. So that's why we're cycling. We started cycling and then started doing the long distance cycling, and this is one of the projects we did.
So this morning we've just finished. We started yesterday from Niagara Falls with the team from US, a guest from Germany as well, and a team from Canada. We cycled to St. Catharines and then on to Mississauga, where we spent the night. And this morning from Mississauga after Fajr, we made our way to Beit al-Islam, and then now we've just arrived at Jilsah. It's been very, tough, very enjoyable. The weather's been great, very hot but still enjoyable. So Alhamdulillah, we made it safely.
ایک ہنسی صورت گلو گلزار کے